Official name pamisan metong na ning Smart Communications Incorporated at ning Giant Lantern Festival Executive Committee 2023 para kay mas masayang Christmas experience direng kaya katamong kabalen. May pagpirma na lakasing Memorandum of Agreement o MOA de nga duwang partido king Heroes Hall Ciudad San Fernando, Pampanga ni Martes, December 5. Penny muna ng Trade and Marketing Manager for North and Central Luzon Danilo Doy Gonzalez ing Smart, kabang CLTV 36 President and General Manager Sonia P. Soto naman, imigrepresenta kin GLF 2023 Executive Committee antimong chairperson na nini. Mimyeyang cash sponsorshiping Smart Communications Incorporated king Giant Lantern Festival, bang pasiknangan at pasantingan pa ing pamanatad ning ligligang parol, alimo kareng kabalen nune pati na rin, king mabilog abang sa antimong party na rin ning karelang social responsibility.
More than the partnership, it's actually the commitment of our company to not just support this festival, but the LGU, so that we can boost not just the tourism, but also we can promote our heritage, especially here in San Fernando, Pampanga. What we want to happen is our culture will go hand in hand with our technology so that it will reach not just local viewers, local tourists, but global tourists as well.
Kayabe JM De Jesus, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.